Okay, like unit testing, integration testing, system testing. These levels of testing, again, it contains the sub different levels of testing. Okay, the types. So today we'll discuss one of the technique that is called as GUI testing. It is one of the software test system testing. Okay, one of the type of system testing. So that is called as GUI testing. What comes in your mind for the GUI, graphical user interface? Okay. Yes, Vishwanath Londe.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me why it is so important about GUI testing?
Yes, sir. Because when we some developers when they develop the software, they must build the first backend and the whole overall functionality. But the importance of GUI is that the functionality which is developed by the developers, it is used by the users through the GUI interface, and the main objective of the software is to uh, provide the features and functionalities to the user. Who the GUI is a medium
Hmm.
establish communication between the user and the system, which is means the software through which user can use that product. So the GUI is very
Okay. Can you give me some example?
means GUI like nowadays we are using so many softwares and websites as well. So for example, we are using the Google Meet. So there are many features and options. They are real world. They are developed the real world scenario means the host can accept the requests of the and they can allow them or reject them so that they can there. So this is the real world GUI which is used by the users. So this is the one of the example of the GUI.
Okay. And then next.
So let us just simply consider the join button in the Google Meet. That is a part of the UI through which the action of logging in into the Meet happens. So this while building is tested by the developers. Like for the designed UI, is the designed action being performed on the backend successfully or not? This comes under UI testing.
Okay. Any other example? Any other software application?
So
Like,
even WhatsApp also, if we consider the UI button thing.
okay, WhatsApp application.
So actually that the PDF annotator sir itself you are using that is a software sir.
Hmm.
Uh,
PDF annotator. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next, anyone others? Anyone else? Anyone? Meet, Selena,
And so we can consider Google Chrome.
Gmail.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So as you know, like GUI testing, it is very important. Graphical user interface. As most of you have shared some examples that you are familiar with. Okay. So for any software application, okay, even if we like any application that in our day-to-day life, like for example Google Meet, WhatsApp application, so your user interface is very easy to use. Like everyone is using the WhatsApp, Facebook, okay, and e-commerce site applications. Like here you can see the e-commerce application. Okay, so the Flipkart, as you can easily see how they are categorized, like the mobile, fashion. Okay, in the fashion, if you can find the other categories like okay, mobile items. So See, even if I select the laptop and desktop, then it will show all developed by keeping in mind the user's perspective. Okay, because the user should feel like uh, they should find very easy about the use of any application. So without see in this particular e-commerce site, I can so if I want any toys for the baby, so you can just I can find in this particular category, or for the clothes for the baby, okay, kids directly. So it is very easy to use the particular this particular e-commerce site or any software application. So we need to focus on the testing of GUI, graphical user interface. It is very important. If the user, if he find difficulty to use, okay, if he find very difficult to use where to find the icon and all, okay, suppose here like this is the Google page, okay, suppose suppose if I go through like I think Yahoo, okay. So here, yeah, am I audible now? So here in the Google Meet also we can see like the buttons. Once if I after sharing the my screen, you can see the stop presenting and ignore. Okay, so you can see like the screen how it looks. Okay, so GUI is very important, and you can see the Yahoo Mail. Okay, just yeah. Now it is actually this Yahoo Mail is there. No, if I in the like 10 years back, okay, see the Google, it was very simple. You can find like the text field and voice based search, okay, Google search, it is very simple and as per the language. And in the Google, no, you can find, see like there are some advertisement and all. And in the even in the earlier days, no, even like 10 years back and all, if we type no the Yahoo Mail and Reddit Mail, we used to get many like other than the login, we get many other contents like the advertise and all. Okay, if I suppose reddit.com, so here you can see the reddit.com, means here we find some difficulty like where to get the like here for searching the sign in and all. Okay, means it is difficult. And you if you see how the Google, the user interface like for Gmail and all, and for this particular here it contains even mail is also there, along with that even the news and any other advertisers and all. Okay, so I means most of the people they find very easy with the Google interface. Okay, So this interface is GUI is very important for any software application. Okay. So there are two types of interfaces for the computer application. Okay. Like even this as Vishwanath said, PDF annotator. Okay. This is also I found very easy compared to other even for Windows that Notepad is there, Paint application is there, and any many other softwares are there for writing purpose. Okay, for writing purpose, but I found very easy in this type of particular annotator, where in the PDF document I can write, I can erase the content, okay, very easily. So even I can draw some, suppose if I want to draw any box, okay, I can change the color, okay, means it is very easy, we can say, okay. So so that's why the people, they if any of the software they found very easy, so they prefer to use those softwares. For example, even in the phone pay, you can say in the phone pay application, okay, most of the, even in the shop and all, okay, in kirana shop or any other shop, even for even sabji in vegetable market and all, you can see the people are using the phone pay, that scan that barcode scanner. So in everywhere, in everywhere, from kirana shop to even in the vegetable at the roadside also, okay. uh, so everyone they are using phone pay, means it is depend very easy to use. Even if they don't have the scanner, no, there is alternative is there, their phone number, okay. They will give the phone number, and we are using the digital transaction, okay. Even means if you compare with the phone pay, Google Pay, I think more very few people they are preferring the Google Pay compared to phone pay, okay. So it depend, okay. As I have seen, in Solapur city, I have seen most of the places where phone pay is using, even in the tea shop also, even in the vegetable roadside, okay. So if we found very easy, if any of the things, like even to pay the electricity bill, to pay the credit card bill, or to pay to send the money to any third party, any of your friends, okay. So you prefer the any software application that is very easy to use, okay, very easy to use and as per your convenient. So so as in this particular for writing a notepad, okay, instead of the any notepad or any paint application, okay, any paint application, okay. So uh, we are using this particular uh, any such a right, document writer applications, okay, document writer applications, okay. So that's why you uh, okay, it is a normal thing, like whichever the things we feel easy, okay. So can anyone tell in virtual platform like Google Meet, so have you found any other applications where you found very easy? Just let me know. Yes, Meet.
No, sir. We have tried using Zoom, then Microsoft Teams as well, but Google Meet has been the best for user interface.
Hmm. No, Zoom is there, and
Yeah, sorry. We have Zoom, and then we have even Microsoft Teams.
Hmm.
for this purpose. But sir, the GUI is best for Google Meet.
Yeah. Okay. Means Geo is best for the Google, and it is depend upon the see for large number of students. Okay, for the like large number of student, this is very easy. Like Google Meet and all to accept to. Uh, okay, so in depend upon like for example in the Zoom. Okay, for Zoom one to one communication means like for to take the any virtual interview for one to one interaction, I found the Zoom is good, the Zoom interface, because I can like it look like in one screen only we can see both the interviewer and the student. Means we can see the like videos in one screen. But in the Google Meet, no, whenever we speak only we can see the one candidate or one person video at a time. Okay, we cannot see parallelly both person video on the same screen. Okay, so that I found it is not like for one to one conversation the Google Meet I'm not found very good, like because in one to one conversation means what happens, like it should be they should see, like suppose if I am communicating to you, so that you can see my face. Okay, but in Google Meet that option is not, means it is not like there will be a screen at the bottom, but when we record that particular interaction, no, so that time we can see that is at full screen only one person video can we can see at a time. But in Zoom we can see the parallelly, and in the same screen both candidate face we can see in the same screen. And also there are some other platforms are there where there are direct stream option is there. Okay, direct stream. And suppose if you see my this Google Meet, no, this is a paid one. Here can you see my screen?
Yes.
I think you can see my some activities. These activities are not available in the free version, like breakout rooms. Like we can split this complete class into the some like collaborative discussion, like project groups. Okay, we can divide into 10 members or 5 members group we can form, so that parallelly they will discuss in a virtual room. Okay, and polling option is there. Okay, and question and answer. Okay, a recording, whiteboard. So this facility they are provided. It is very easy for the teachers to use. So there are some features are there, it is very good in the Google Meet. And there are some and also in the Zoom, no, like in the Zoom application you can see the entire screen is very easily, it is visible very like clearly. Like here you can see at the when I shared my screen, no, at the right side I can see there are 6 icons are there. Okay, even though if I change my layout, like for example auto or spotlight. Okay, here I cannot see the complete the students those who are joined and all. Okay, is my screen completely visible, full screen?
Yes, sir.
Suppose like for example this without my video, or is it visible completely the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like here the student can see the complete the screen, like suppose in the hands-on coding or any like in a PPT, and also he can see the contents the full screen. Okay, because in the free version and all I think it is not there maybe. So so this GUI, no, it was these options were not there in the previously in the first version. Okay, So they are continuously improved by taking the feedback and okay. So in some of the features they are in the Google Meet, even the in the free we can around 100 members they can accommodate in the classroom virtually. They can interact for the free version. Okay, so that is best for the those who like in private schools and all. Okay, there are some features are there, they are good, and there are some features even for noise reduction also. I think they are added here. It was not there in the previously the GUI. Okay, noise reduction uh, and even more clarity also. Means they are continuously they worked on to improve the features in the Google Meet. Okay, so there are as two types of interfaces for the computer application, like command line interface where you type text and a computer responds to the command. Okay, in the GUI stands for graphical user interface, where you can interact with the computer using the images rather than the text. Okay, you can interact with the computer, like for example, as we discussed here, we are interacting with the, like for example here, mobile. So you can, if you see in this particular image, you can directly see the mobile icon, the image, not the text. Okay, suppose here with this particular image you can, okay, it is a, some home furnishing items. Here appliances like TV, fridge, washing machine and all. We can like travel means as what comes in your mind, for online reservation and all. Okay, so with this particular the image here, if you see this particular image, no, like a laptop finishing assignments in a flash within a modern window, you won't read the content here. First you, okay, it is a laptop, mean there is some offer with the laptop, and here there is student is there. So you can just think maybe it is a low cost laptop. Okay, you can just imagine without reading all these things, no, maybe it is some low configuration, and this laptop will be help for the students to work on. Okay, okay, so with respect to this particular, suppose if there is any suppose if a gaming laptop, okay, maybe the that image they should use a different image. Okay, this is not suitable for the gaming software, this particular image. Okay, so with respect to that, we can imagine without, we won't look at all these text and all. We mainly focus on the image. So here GUI stands for graphical user interface, where we interact with the computer using the images rather than the text. So following are the GUI elements that which can be used for the interaction between the user and application, where like a true, false. Okay, and I think today morning only I sent one Google form to you people to provide your. Can anyone tell me? Have you gone through Meet? That one for regarding the TCS NQT, I sent one Google form. Can you tell what is about?
Yeah, sir. It's basically for sharing our experience, like
Uh,
how we faced an exam,
and
and also when is our NQT test date and time.
yeah, so here I have added the date and time, and here you can see very easily, like in the Google form, no, they are provided a date format and time format option. So no need to, like, because in the date format, no, everyone is having their other different format like DD, year. In this way they will type. So some people what they do, they will type like a DD, year. Okay, and some people what they do, like date, okay, like 2nd July, only this much they will type. In some student what they do, like 2 7 like dash, and some people what they do, 2796. It is as per their own aspect, they they type if I provide the short answer in the field. Okay, if I if I ask, just mention your TCS exam date. Okay, so here in this particular field they write as per their own perspective, like 2nd July, some 27, or some people like do 27 dot 1986, 90, sorry, 2021. They'll write some different dates. Okay, that's why yeah, the that Google form has a particular format, like standard format is there. So if you just click, calendar will open, no? Yes, Meet.
Sir, I haven't filled it yet.
Yeah, once you click on that, calendar will open and you just select your date. Okay, so even for the time also, like particular when you open, it select the particular the time option. So that will be helpful, like this format will be same, because it will create a confusion, no? Suppose if the date, like if someone type like 5 7 2021 and 7 5 2021, okay, it is a DD year. Okay, and here it is DD. So here we'll find some confusion, like suppose means in the Excel you can see, due to the some compatibility, I think you people may be observed. Okay, that is also one more type of testing, that is compatibility testing. Compatibility testing is there, no? That is also very important. I faced many problems with that. Okay, because if we work on the like Excel with 10 version. Okay, my MS Office 10, no, 10 version is there. MS Office 10 version. If I work on that particular 10 version, and if I download the same sheet in Windows 7, in Windows 7, okay, the lower version of the MS Office lower version, okay, then the sometimes the format will change, like date format and all. Okay, date format will change, or the value, whatever the value that we mention, okay, that format will change. Okay, that it is a compatibility, that compatibility problem will be there, means because of the higher version and lower version. Okay, even suppose if you are worked on the this Windows 10, that Excel, okay, MS Office 10, but you have to, while downloading, you have to save as Windows 7 or MS Office, that 7 version. If you save in this particular format, no, then it will be compatible to your computer. Okay, so that is also one of the type of testing, compatibility testing. Okay, so this, that's why GUI is very important, GUI testing and all. Okay, so here the, like they are given one example. The purpose of testing is to ensure the functionality of the software application that works as per the specification by checking the screens and controls, like menus, buttons, icons. Okay, so here the functional, like for example this particular e-commerce, if I just click on this grocery or this mobile, okay, it will display, the what are the different categories. Okay, even it is activating, you can see the change in the color, it is a black color. When I move on, when I just move my cursor on this mobile, it is changing the color, so it is activating. Okay, and you can see the color also, like black and blue. Okay, so it looks here you can see the color and all, it looks very simple, cool, the color is, okay, blue color. Suppose in place of this particular mobile, it is showing blue color, no? Suppose if we add red color, then it looks odd. Okay, for all the like and even you can see there is some drop down here icon is there, I mean that indicates the it is containing some subcategories. Here for mobile, grocery, it is not there. You can see the arrow mark. Okay. So we can easily we interact with this particular website. And that if you consider AI, ML and all, means based upon your item purchase, it will recommend some of the items. Okay, that is the next thing. But as the GUI, as per the definition, okay, it mainly ensures the functionality of the software applications, the work as per the specification by checking the screens and controls like menus, buttons, icons. Okay, so it should be very easy. You should not find any difficult to use. Even the color also matters. Okay, once you select, no, here it is showing the blue color. If it is some any other yellow color, means it won't be visible clearly. Okay, so here in this particular, suppose while writing I use the red color. Okay, why? Because here you can see in this particular, here I use the red color because the color, it is black color texts are there. And so the main is that to display, like suppose if I use the black color only, sometimes what happens, you cannot find and trace the cursor. Okay, if I use the this type of, so you can identify, you can like suppose whichever the points I'm highlighting, so that you can identify. That's why I use like red color. Like for example, to highlight some, like here guru99.com website is there. Okay, so like so that you can whichever the text that I highlighted, I put it in a box so that you can identify. So here you can see the, if you visit a particular website, you can see some icons. So here I am marking this with a this particular pen. Okay, so you can easily identify, and you can see my cursor and all. So it is not, it is difficult for the paint application. If we see the paint application, no, so here it is not that much comfortable to, means I won't found here also you can do, but instead of this that PDF annotator, because some even text also it will open, means I found easy that. Okay, okay, so uh, with this we'll end today's session. And if you have any query, you can discuss.